Hello my friends and welcome again to my channel. Today on this video I'm gonna make a unboxing video of this 3-set torque wrench that I got on Amazon. I just got it today, so I'm gonna see how well they work. Alright, I'm pretty excited because I've been waiting for this. It's really nice. You have this nice box. Let's see what they look like. And as you guys know, I'm working on my Range Rover, so I really needed this, and because I need to torque some bolts. And let's see what we got here. Chrome vanadium. Sounds strong. Let's see. This one is very small. This one is the 3/8, 1/4, 3/8, and this one is a 1/2 inch. So I think this is the one I'm gonna need. Look, I have a bunch of extensions. This is great, guys. So I think if you guys are doing your job, like an engine or anything that you do with the car, make sure you guys get one of these. Okay, so now I'm gonna need this one. So we're gonna install this one like that. Let's see. You have to push this button, yep. And then here you can set it to, oh, this is really nice. So you pull it and then you set it. So for the bolts that I have to do now, let's see, Newton meters. I kind of wish they had, okay, wow, it has foot-pounds and Newton meters. This is really nice. Okay, so let's go to my Range Rover. Let's actually set this to the torque needed, and then we'll go to my Range Rover and torque those motor mount screws. Alright guys, so I set this up to here, Newton meters, 60 Newton meters. So you get the idea. So you have the two lines. You have this one, and then you can set how many more. So for example, if you put it on 54 and I want 60, I have to do six more. So I have 4, 5, 6. Okay, I'm gonna have to twist this again until I put this on the line on the number 6. So I'm gonna set it right now. See if I can do it with one hand, guys. Let's see. Okay. Actually, it's gonna be on 4, yeah. Okay. And then let's see if we can do this. Let's see, I would just make it tight with another ratchet before you do this one. So get it all the way tight as much as you can. Yeah. Or just use your electric ratchet. Mine just died, so that's why I'm not using it here. And make sure you get the last one. But anyways, the main thing is to show you how this works. And if you guys want to get this, I think it's really good. It works really well, and it seems like it's super accurate, so don't hesitate to get it. I'm gonna leave the link on the description so you can get yours. And again, it's super cheap and it's really good quality. All right, okay, let's see here. Okay, so this should be the last one, and you just pull it down. There we go, and that's the click, guys. So thank you guys for watching. I know this is not the best production that you guys have seen. There's other amazing YouTube videos, but I'm doing my Range Rover Evoque. This is a Ford engine, and I did the timing chain on this one. This is a 2.0 turbo engine, and if you guys want to see the video how I changed the timing chain on this one, and I'll show you step by step how to do it, don't hesitate to go to my channel, subscribe, and look on my Range Rover videos how to do this video, or any other videos that you guys want to see. Feel free to do so. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.